Oh my god, look at the panty. Look at the panty. And then I think we have to take off our tops. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, beautiful people. I am here at the 5 Elements Resort here in Bali. Oh my god, guys, this place is amazing. I think it's time for a room tour. Let's go. Hello! I always wanted to do that. Oops, did I break it? Okay. Welcome to the suite here at 5 Elements. Oh my god, already. Like, just look at this. These are the walls. They're made out of, is this bamboo? So, you walk through here. Oh my god. We have a nice little seating area. And then we have another sitting area here. These birds are heavy. Boom. This is where the magic happens. I'm going too fast. I just feel like, you know, when people do these, like, room tour things, it's like, just get to it, hurry up. Like, the room is not that big, it is just a hotel. Wait, I want this to be dramatic. This is the bed. Okay, you can't even see it. Morgan, just put that there, like this. Here is the bed. I always wanted to sleep in one of these beds. It's like canopy style. This is it. How nice, how cute. Oh, okay. I slept here last night. It was amazing. Where did it go? This is like their iPad. It basically is iPad, and it controls everything in the room. If I want the lights on, not that one. I'll go room on. Okay, it's bright right now, so you can't tell, but the lights all around just cut on. And we can hook up our own aux cord, but I don't got one of those right now. Listen. Let's blast it. 90%. How do you call it? 0. See? That's so cool, right? I'm hot. Okay, let's go outside. Hey! Oh. Deck. Oh, sorry. Here is the river that we oversee. Another sitting area here. Oh, look at. Okay, they have like ant spiders here. I wonder, can you catch one? There you go. Look. Look at it. It's literally an ant spider. And then, no, let's go this way. Here, guys, you have an outdoor tub. What? An outdoor tub. This is crazy. Then you like overlook the river. Y'all see? Let me get in here. If y'all don't believe it, it's a tub. It's a tub. This is a tub. So this is the deck. We're gonna leave the deck. And next, you're probably like, Morgan, okay, there's a tub. Do you have a toilet? Do you have a shower? Do I have a shower? Yeah, I do have a shower. That's where we're going next, to the bathroom. This is my favorite part of the room. You ready? Okay, wait, just 1 second. I wanted a dramatic entrance. Welcome. That wasn't as dramatic as I wanted it. Okay, welcome, guys. Welcome to the bathroom. We have the toilet. Here's the sink. I look crazy. What? You tell me I look crazy. Like, this is amazing, right? But I haven't even gotten to my favorite part. One more time for the dramatic. Okay, that didn't work once again. Guys, this is the shower. Yes, I have a shower. Not just a tub outside, but I have a shower outside. You know, to be honest, when I first was given the tour of the room and he showed me that it was outside, I was a little nervous because I was like, I don't know what's gonna be popping out when I'm in the shower. But I took a shower this morning, and guys, it's so nice. I took it like really early this morning, so you know, you had the morning critters barking. They don't bark. So yeah, that was this room tour. Nice, right? I know. All right, get up. Back. I'm so hungry.
Me too. I'm ready. I'm ready for this food. I'm so excited. I love food. I cannot wait.
Thank you. I love cucumber water. Cheers to with our water. but to a great vacay. And happy birthday. We're still celebrating your birthday.
Yes, birthday month.
Mm.
So happy to be here. This is good water. Everything.
If it's
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm thinking the green smoothie.
Absolutely.
That sounds really good. Fruit salad, of course. And the
green bowl.
The green bowl?
Yes.
2 green bowl, 2 green smoothie, 2
Yes,
salad.
please.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank
And then
you.
may I have coffee, please?
Yes, we have Bali coffee and Arabica.
Balinese coffee.
Balinese coffee.
Do you have milk?
Yes, we have cashew, almond, and coconut.
Oh my God! Almond milk, please.
Almond milk.
Yes.
For you?
Sorry,
no
I'm
coffee
really
for
just
me.
kidding.
Yeah.
No, almond milk is my
Thank you.
favorite.
I've literally been looking for almond milk everywhere.
Really?
Yes.
It's my
She
favorite.
probably was like, "What the heck is wrong
right?
with that?"
Like,
I'm
it's
sorry.
Just almond milk. Like,
I'm so
we didn't
sorry,
get
folks.
the pancakes, yo.
We didn't even take any photos of anything because we've been editing and stuffing our faces with like all of this amazing food.
It's so good,
I don't know
y'all.
if we even said what we had. So we had green smoothies, which was amazing.
Bomb.
Still drinking. I got a cup of coffee with almond milk. I've been looking for almond milk everywhere. Finally found it. And then we got some like, I guess like acai bowls a little bit.
It's acai bowls with like avocado.
It's avocado in here?
It's avocado here.
I
girl.
didn't see that.
And like spirulina.
Oops.
Everything.
Then we got
It was
some
basically
granola.
the green smoothie in a bowl.
Basically, and that's exactly what she said. She was like, it's basically the green smoothie, but we were like, okay, yeah, still give it to us.
Yeah.
So we got basically 2 green smoothies, and then on the side, I ordered these pancakes.
Bomb.
I don't even think, I
They're
don't
not
know
real
what.
pancakes,
Yeah,
y'all.
they're definitely not.
They're like raw. I feel like they're like almond butter and like, I don't know. They're so
I've
good.
never had pancakes like this in my life. I swear, I
Ever.
never had coffee like this in my life. Okay, everything here is just better.
Everything is new.
So really soon we have to head to our spa appointment. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Okay, so is this focused? Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so we just got to our spa room. Right now we have to like take off all of our clothes and put on these like, let me show you. Do you have your, these like little panties, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Look at the panties. Look at the panties. Okay, we're ready. Oh, let me grab. Hello. Yes.
My name is Nana. You may enjoy with rosé latte.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna put that here.
Fermented with mushroom, lime juice, honey, and fermented with mushroom.
Oh, did I put my feet in? Oh my god.
How about the temperature?
Oh, wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
These are the ingredients for your food bath: sea salt and Balinese spice to mineralize,
Okay.
lime to energize, and flour to
Oh, this is beautiful. Feels so good. Be careful. Okay. Alright, let's go. Oh, cheers. Also teeth. Got ooh, shit from the bed. Hey. Oh no. It sure did just get me. It's soaking. Oh, that was a sting. It hurt. It was just, I just felt like it. Oh yeah. It was good. Citrus. It smells so good.
What did you say before?
What? Lemongrass? Is that lemongrass?
Oh, I think this one is good.
Oh shit!
Is it
Ginger. It's ginger.
Oh.
Oh my god, oh my god. You know, ginger like burned.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just finished our treatment.
Yes.
Yeah. It was so nice.
So nice, guys.
Now we're in the
This is
tub.
amazing.
We're looking over to the river. Oh. Look at that. That does like a spider, but I don't know if that's
They're
a spider.
huge. No, I think they're just massive.
Massive ants.
Like unbelievably big.